Good day to our respective lecturer, Dr. Zamino binti Zamzamir. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Mishalini Raghavanaidu. My metric number is A21A2570 and I'm from class AFT 1023K1. Today, I would like to present about T-Life Company. The first part is Introduction. T-Life was launched on February 17, 2017 by Brian Liu. He is the Chief Executive Officer (CEO) at the Loop Holdings Sendirian Berhad. He launched the T-Life brand at Pavilion Kuala Lumpur. T-Life was previously as Chatime as Taiwan, but today Chatime Malaysia officially been replaced with T-Life. The next part is what is management? Management is the process of getting things done effectively and efficiently with and through people. Efficiency is defined as performing a task correctly, doing things right, and obtaining the greatest quantity of output from the smallest number of inputs. Effectiveness is defined as doing the right things through completing job assignments that assist the company in achieving its objectives. The next part is four management functions that implemented in the T-Life company. First, planning. Second, organizing. Third, leading. And lastly, controlling. Planning. Planning also includes defining goals, establishing strategy, and developing plans to coordinate activities. Brian Liu, who is the CEO at Loop Holdings Sendirian Berhad, introduced Tea Life as a brand that takes tea drinks to a higher level. In this case, he also planned to add another 250 outlets of its flagship brand. He wants to establish Tea Life as the #1 bubble tea brand in Malaysia. In 2019, the CEO Brian Liu announced to add Japan as the next target by the last quarter at the year in T-Life Gifty Collaboration Program. Organizing. Organizing allows planning by other means. Its concern is being able to define the role positions, the job related, and the coordinate between authority and responsibility in order to accomplish the organization's goal. In this case, Brian Liu can divide the works to certain departments, such as marketing department to manage marketing, while the finance department is tasked with managing the internal and external budget of the business. He also collaborated with Loop founder, where the one company is focused on its mission and target of achieving its business strategy. Leading. Leading includes motivating employees, directing the activities of others, selecting the most active communication channel, and resolving conflicts. In this case, Brian Liu has instilled a sense of purpose and drive in his employees, ensuring that they remain loyal to the firm. He also recognized when employees need extra encouragement and recognition, as well as managing team member conflicts properly and decisively. Brian Liu has a cool image, sociable character to communicate with his workers, and he has amazing modern management skills in operating the company. Controlling. Controlling includes monitoring performance, comparing it with goals, and correcting any significant deviations. In this case, Brian Liu consistently monitors employee performance, quality of work, efficiency, and staffing adjustment. He also improved the efficiency of his employees by creating a benchmark for each leader at the current performance outlet to provide bonus if their performance exceeds what Loop Holdings expects. The next part is who is the top manager at Loop Holdings Sendirian Berhad. Brian Liu is the top manager who is a Chief Executive Officer (CEO) at the Loop Holdings Sendirian Berhad. Brian Liu grew up at Perlis. His parents owned an air conditioning business that operated out of a shop lot that they lived in. He was 31 years old and studied degree in biotechnology from Monash University in Melbourne, Australia. Brian Lu is a Malaysian entrepreneur and the previous major franchise owner for the Chatime brand in Malaysia, but his contract was terminated prematurely by the franchisee even though there are still 24 years left. The next part is explain 10 roles of top manager performs in organization. There are three categories of the roles. The first category is interpersonal roles. First, figurehead. Necessary role for a manager who wants to inspire people within the organization to feel connected to each other to support the policies and decisions made on behalf of the organization. Secondly, leader. Those who are responsible for the motivation and direction subordinates. Third, liaison, who is concerned with the interaction between the manager and other people. The second category is informational roles. First, monitor. A result of the network of contracts, the manager gets the information by scanning his environment, subordinates, peers, and superiors. Next, spokesperson, who is responsible for communicating information about the business to outside parties. Third, disseminator, where we can communicate potentially useful information to our colleagues and team. The last category is decision making. First, entrepreneur, brain and idea behind the business and all products or service of the business. Second, disturbance handler, who represents the manager as the involuntarily responding to pressures. Third, resource allocator, who determine the best organization resources to be applied, which include all organizational resources. Lastly, negotiator, who represents the organizational in bargaining and negotiations with outsiders and insiders. The next part is why innovation is important to CEO Brian Lu's job. Innovation is a method of finding a way to produce a better product or service either through modification or improvement. Innovation is really not simply for high-tech or other technologically advanced business. In this case, Brian Lu's mission is to make Tea Life a leading lifestyle tea brand with 1,000 stores by 2021 on 4 containers and 15 national markets. Tea Life's Eco series by Brian Lu to improve the tea drinking experience while also having a good influence on the environment. By this, he also created many ways in the innovation, as it, firstly, Malaysia's first strawless reusable bubble tea cup. Second, introduce DIY bubble tea kits and e-commerce channel. Third, creating bubble tea flavored ice cream. Lastly, a collaborative relationship with the Mami company to create new flavored Maggi. The next part is explains how technology changes the manager works today. It enabled users to connect remotely from anywhere and at any time. Second, manager also able to monitor employees in remote location easily to know their work progress. Lastly, with technology, the managers able to speed up and make efficiency towards the production. Lastly, conclusion. We able to know how Tea Life were in ups and downs through their journey to success. And also, Tea Life have a good management and relationship between their leader and team. Tea Life is currently available in Vietnam, Myanmar, Brunei, Philippines, Australia, United Kingdom, and Cambodia. Lastly, Tea Life also create value for the customers through the application of marketing mixed variables. That's all. Thank you.